Some girls grow up without someone teaching them the things they deserve to know. If that's you, this video is for you. Protect your time. Your time is valuable. You don't need to give your time to people who constantly cancel on you, ignores you, or only show up when it benefits them. Protecting your time is one of the first signs of self-respect. Learn to say no. You are allowed to say no. You don't have to explain yourself every time. You don't have to agree just to keep peace. Saying no is not rude. It is a way of protecting yourself. Do not tolerate disrespect. Being kind does not mean accepting bad treatment. If someone disrespected you repeatedly, it is not your responsibility to stay and enjoy. Self-respect means recognizing when something is not okay. Choose people who value you. The people in your life should make you feel safe, respected, and appreciated. If you constantly feel drained, ignored, or unimportant around someone, that is something to pay attention to. You deserve to be valued. You may not have had someone teach you these things growing up, but it is never too late to learn them. And learning them now can change the way you see yourself and the way others treat you. If you're learning love step by step, you're not alone. This is Growing Up Without Her, and we are learning